Ethereum is now trading at over $2,700, and just a few minutes ago, we hit $2,750. That is just $250 away from a $3,000 Ethereum, but that's not even the most impressive part. The most impressive part is right here. You can see in yellow, the price of Bitcoin against Ethereum is now 0.05. We've crossed the 0.05 threshold, and I think that this is going to absolutely continue and just break away from here. If you look back over the last all times here, let's highlight the yellow Bitcoin. I've been calling this out for a while, and I'm still gonna stick to my belief on this. I think that Ethereum is gonna reach back up and peak somewhere around the 0.1. So that's 10% of Bitcoin. Now, we're not talking about market cap here, but just specifically one whole Bitcoin to one whole Ethereum being 10%. That's right here, 0.109 on the screen you can see. I think that it is not impossible that we're going to reach and peak back up to these levels. I've said for a while on this channel how anytime that Bitcoin can calm down and stay kind of moving and trending sideways, that's when Ethereum can finally take the spotlight, can get the attention it deserves, and finally start moving around the news where new investors and new people are finally able to see Ethereum for what it is instead of just an altcoin. People can look into and understand that it is a worldwide supercomputer that is decentralized, and you can build applications and do many, many things on it. That's what the world's starting to wake up and see. And some very bullish news that I wanted to cover today is this here. So European Investment Bank is issuing 2-year digital bonds on Ethereum through Goldman Sachs and some other banks. Okay. So, let me go back over to this tweet here. This is from Michael Tank, tweeted this today. You can see the full details of it here. But the most exciting thing on this right now, I'll go back to the article here, is that yeah, it's great to see digital bonds that are coming out now. That's really, really awesome that the whole finance one world is converging over and seeing, hey, wow, we can kind of use this decentralized finance, which this still is. It's on Ethereum, so technically it's still decentralized finance, right? Even though they're owning it and issuing the smart contracts, this is being done on the Ethereum network, okay? It keeps wanting to pull that open. And that is insane to me because we've talked about for a while that Ethereum is, getting the institutional level and institutional grade attention that we've been seeing for a while. I've talked about Cathie Wood talking about how she's buying up Ethereum as much as she can. We've seen other really big investment firms take on Ethereum and talk about how they're very interested in it. And now we're starting to see even central banks do it. And I think the next trend and wave is going to be even governments taking advantage of the supercomputer, global supercomputer and smart contracts on Ethereum. It is the most trusted by far. It has such a big network lead, and it's all lining up perfectly in time for a summer altcoin blast. So that is really, really bullish news. Also, I want to say that right here, we see that, let me see. Oh, I lost it now. But the, right here. The exchange amount of Ethereum that's on exchanges has just been consistently falling and falling. And even though we just had this blip here in the last couple days or week, it has been consistently going down as well. During all this news, that's very, very bullish because that's a sign that we're not going to see a crazy sell-off. At least that's the idea, and what the data suggests is that we're less likely. It's always a possibility to have a pullback, and I'm still praying for one. Some of you might be upset at me for saying that, but as an investor that's long-term, I'm a long-term believer. I'm a 10-year Ethereum guy. Even though I may take some profits here and there, this bull run, depending on how overvalued I believe we get, which is still a risk, I'm a 10-year investment in Ethereum. I'm going to go in and out if I see some opportunities to make some trades here and there. Again, very risky, but if I see the opportunity, I will. But overall, I'm in Ethereum for the next 10 years because I know what the capabilities are and what we're going to do. And that's what we're seeing here. People pull it from exchanges and utilize it in other places, actually using it for what it's intended to be used for. Decentralized finance, use it for smart contracts and all sorts of things. So I think that, again, not financial advice. Always do your own research. I want to bring you this information and inspire you at home to do your own research and invest in a way that you can, retire early or whatever your goals are. But always do your own research. My opinion is just $250 away from 3,000. I think we're going to touch 3,000 very, very quickly, a lot quicker than a lot of people think. I think it may even be in the first 2 weeks of May. We may blast well past that, even to 3,250, somewhere in that range. But what do you guys think? Let me know down below in the comments. Also, if you like this video, make sure you hit the thumbs up. Even though we're not done with the video, a little pause here for everyone. Appreciate that thumbs up button and appreciate the content. It really helps me out a lot. But what do you guys think? Are we going to quickly touch 3,000? I see a lot of people on Twitter saying we're going to touch 3,000 before even the end of the month. It's right now April 28th, and we only have 2-3 days left. It's very possible. I could definitely see it hitting that. That would be quite the move, especially because the rest of the cryptocurrency market is, especially Bitcoin, just kind of hanging out, not really doing anything crazy. Over the last 7 days, up 1.3%, which in cryptocurrency world is doing nothing, right? So it's really cool to see. I'm very excited to find out what this week holds for Ethereum. And again, let me know what you guys think down below. What are we trending towards? But thank you guys so much for watching. Let's stay tuned, and I will make an update video maybe later tonight or tomorrow morning to see what we break through. Thanks guys for watching. We'll see you in the next one.